Welcome to another captivating segment of our myth-busting journey. In this segment, we tackle the commonly held belief that cracking knuckles leads to arthritis. Join us as we delve into the scientific evidence to shed light on this age-old misconception. First, let's understand arthritis, a condition characterized by joint inflammation and pain. While it's a prevalent condition, we unravel the myth that cracking knuckles directly causes arthritis. To debunk this myth, we explore the mechanics behind knuckle cracking. By understanding the process of synovial fluid release and gas bubble formation, we reveal that the act of cracking is not detrimental to joint health. Through scientific studies and medical research, we present evidence that indicates no link between knuckle cracking and an increased risk of developing arthritis. Experts have conducted long-term studies, providing us with valuable insights. We consult medical professionals and rheumatologists who affirm that knuckle cracking is generally harmless. They emphasize that arthritis is a complex condition influenced by various factors unrelated to cracking knuckles. Other factors, such as age, genetics, joint injuries, and obesity, play a more significant role in the development of arthritis. We shed light on these factors to provide a comprehensive understanding of the condition. Interestingly, we explore the temporary relief and improved joint mobility reported by some individuals who crack their knuckles. This phenomenon, known as joint cavitation, offers a satisfying experience without harmful consequences. In dispelling the knuckle cracking arthritis myth, we encourage viewers to separate fact from fiction. Scientific evidence and expert opinions assure us that, as we conclude this segment, remember that the cracking of knuckles does not cause arthritis. It is crucial to base our understanding on scientific findings and expert advice to avoid unnecessary worry or fear. Quote,